So I've got my knees on the mat. Start with your left hand. Now keeping that chin tucked in, so length through the neck. I want you to just reach forwards with the left hand, so you might want to watch first. So I'm just reaching forward. See, I'm not coming with it at the moment. I'm just going to reach forwards and back. Don't hit end range of movement. We've got a lot going on here with rotator cuff muscles. Keep the shoulder blades drawn down. This should not be painful, okay, as in sore. So I'm keeping my weight back here, so it's over my right arm. Chin tucked in, don't try and keep the head lifted or you'll feel it in the neck. And I'm just going to do 4 more. These shouldn't feel too bad. Keep your pelvis over the knees. And I'm going to do 1 more. And then I'm going to change sides. So now place left hand on floor, no break, push. So what we're doing is just working a little bit of outer back, and it's that function of arm up and over the head, up and above. But obviously we'll be playing with gravity. Now on this side I feel like I really want to shift all the way forwards, but we're not going to. So pushing down, so that it's that push down is that resistance. Keeping that weight back here. So we're working, there's so much that goes on, you know, in the pit and the armpit. So many muscles connected. Origins and insertions. So the beginning of muscles and the end of them. Let's do 1 more. And back. Have a little stretch back. And now we're going to do it with both hands. So both hands, have your rest back, watch first. So chin remains tucked in. Now this time, you're just going to reach and slide it back. You're not coming forwards as yet, yeah? So you're just going to reach and back. And reach and back. And I want you to feel that lovely stretch. You know, make sure you've not got your hands really tight in together. So whatever your sort of arm, just get your hands to either side. So you've got just above shoulders ideally. Inhalation, reach away. You feel the back. Drawing down, chin tucked in, otherwise you will feel it in the back of the neck. Let's do 4 more. 4. Some lovely stretch, really nice outer back, lengthening front of the spine. 3. 2 more. That's it. 1 more. And release it.